And I found myself in an ambulance on my way to the hospital with my wife chasing behind. And the paramedic told me, he said, well, you know, it's not up to me to say, but if I can, then I will suggest that you change your lifestyle. And I said, don't worry, we've already decided to do that, but maybe that's why I'm lying here. And he said, no, I don't think so. I think it's maybe your old life. And I told him what we plan to do, and he said, that's amazing, go for it. And you know, then all of a sudden you get these people coming out of the woodwork and reinforcing that idea. We looked up a guy, a friend of a friend of a friend kind of thing, and we drove through to him. And he told a story that how he purchased a yacht like 12 years ago, and he crossed the Atlantic Ocean alone, and where he went and how wonderful it was, and he should never have come back and all of that. So all of a sudden, that's the other psychological thing, is you will see that as you get in this stage, you will start to refocus. After the restart is over,